Hey there friends, welcome to our cozy little corner where we talk about all things beauty and wellness. Today we are zooming in on a tiny but mighty hero of our daily routine. Yes, our trusty toothbrush. Now I bet you're wondering, is there really a secret life to my toothbrush? Oh, you bet it there is. Let's unravel this mystery together and learn some super cool and easy ways to keep your toothbrush sparkling clean. So first off, let's talk about vinegar. It's not just for your fries or salad dressing, folks. White distilled vinegar is actually a fantastic disinfectant for your toothbrush. Here's a neat trick. Soak your toothbrush in the vinegar for about 30 minutes. But hey, don't forget, don't leave it in too long or else those bristles might get a bit grumpy. After soaking, rinse it off really well under running water. Trust me, you don't want the vinegary surprise the next time you brush, and then just let it hair dry. As simple as that. Now, if you're thinking, vinegar is not really my style, how about a quick spark treatment for your toothbrush in boiling water? Yeah, you had it right. Just pop your toothbrush into some boiling water for a couple of minutes. But remember, moderation is key. We don't want to accidentally age our toothbrush prematurely. And here is another gem, hydrogen peroxide. This is not just a first aid kit staple. It's also great for annihilating those pesky germs on your toothbrush. Give it a little hydrogen peroxide bath for a few minutes, then rinse it thoroughly. We're all about that clean and safe life, aren't we? Alright, for those who have denture cleaner, get ready for a plot twist. It's not just for dentures. That's right. Dissolve a tablet in water and let your toothbrush have a little soak. Talk about versatile product. And for my tech-loving friends out there, UV toothbrush sanitizer are like the James Bond gadget of toothbrush care. Just place your toothbrush in and let the high-tech wizardry works. It's magic. But hey, let's circle back to the good old basic. Always rinse your toothbrush after use. Store it upright and let it hair dry completely. And don't forget, every 3 to 4 months or when the bristles start looking a bit sad, it's time for a new brush. It's like giving your mouth a whole new start. So there you have it, my friends. Your toothbrush deserves a little TLC, and now you know just how to give it. By taking care of your toothbrush, you're not only ensuring a bright, beautiful smile, but you're also taking a step forward in your overall health. And let's be honest, who doesn't love that fresh, clean feeling after a good brush? Alright folk, that's all for today's chat. If you love those tips and tricks, smash that like button, share this video with your pals, and hit subscribe for more fun and informative content. Keep those smiles bright and your toothbrushes cleaner. Stay beautiful, stay smiling, and I'll see you next time.